So, we are going to be doing, some Skywars, my favorite game. Trust me, it is actually. Oh, just in time. So, so guys, I picked up some and just edited it out. Oopsie daisies. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to not edit stuff out. Yeah, it's a long hiccups. No, I tried to make the sounds no, I don't know why I said the sound, guys. Now I'm just kind of feel ashamed of myself. No, 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 no. No, you do not want to mess with me. I do have the hiccups right now. So, guys, do you think I should go to mid, guys? Oh, well, that's a thing, hiccups, because I never wanted to get them in the vid. I always try to edit stuff out, but yeah, I don't know how to edit. I just died. That's the thing. Well, we get another match. Can't believe it's been 1-2 minutes. Hey, I'm just gonna. So, if there was anything at the corner, no, it's just a random glitch because I've seen that happen in my vids. Oh, I still have the hiccups. It's so bad. No. Okay, no, I don't have any hiccups. Oh, jeez.
Okay.